Whenever you talk about anywhere in the world about pink salt, Himalayan salt, it's come from here.
So this area opened in 1916, but the mines have been exploited for over 2,000 years.
Oh yeah.
It is just one of the mountains that is in exploitation.
That is about 300 kilometers, and if you go through the history, that's the history evidence. This was discovered by Alexander the Great Horse in 326 BC. As far as the Khewra salt mine, this is one of the top tourist attraction in Pakistan. Every year, a few 100,000 people come here to visit, including domestic tourists and also overseas and foreigners as well. So now we are entering into the salt mine, and temperature is quite good here. It's about 16, and which continue throughout the year 16 to 18. So even sometimes people come here when it's too hot, so they come inside and find a good climate inside as well. If you talk about the best Himalayan salt, I mean the pink salt, so right now we are in a salt mine where everything was produced. So whenever you talk about anywhere in the world about pink salt, Himalayan salt, it's come from here.
But it's interesting, like just from here looking at the different colors, like for me it makes me think of gelato.
Yeah.
Like ice cream, and you have the white and the pink and red.
Look here, it is actually the mix salt at the moment here. It's look different. It's not look pure salt.
Yeah,
but
there's
they've taken out of the salt here, then they put into the refinery, and then they have to make a different kind of grade like a pink salt, white salt, and black salt.
Yeah, for now it's a mix salt and earth.
Yeah, so yeah, exactly.
Because it's just the entrance of the mine.
Yeah, just the entrance.
So let's see what's
so
happening.
we're getting closer and closer, and we're going to give you the very nice color too. The pink colors, white colors, and it is going to be a translucent, transparent. We're going to put the light, and the salt is going to glow, and you will see the color soon.
Okay, interesting. Looking forward to it.
See that this mosque is still operational. People could come and pray here. And if you see the red carpet just in front of the man, that is a direction of Mecca, which is always in the west. And if you look over there is a mining area. That's where they have closed the door. It's only open for the worker.
Like it looks insanely cool with all the different colors and the lights. It's very pretty.
17 different levels of this salt mine. We are on the 6th level, and 5th level is down, and 11.
So there's 11 floors above us.
Yes. So a million of tons. I mean, the salt is available here.
So all of them make galleries like this?
No, this is the only. अच्छा और जो floors नहीं है levels में होते हैं ऐसा ना काम करती है वो वाली.
सर रूम सेम यही है. 50 फीट हम पिलर छोड़ते हैं, 50 फीट हम निकालते हैं. रूम में पिलर हमारी माइनस स्टेप बाय स्टेप जा रही है.
It is similar, but they don't have this kind of historical.
Yeah, they don't have like the decorations.
Yeah, but it's same. Yeah.
But it looks similar, so they dig all the salt, take it out, and then you have galleries.
Yes.
On top
अच्छा
of
तो light
galleries.
से मतलब 3-4 color अगर change होते हैं.
सर ओनली इस वक्त नहीं.
क्यों?
वो इसमें जो लग थे वो इस किस्म के कलर के.
This is like a memory tower. When you want to see in Lahore, in a big park that's called Minar-e-Pakistan.
Yeah.
So this is another memory tower which was made with purely a salt. So it's all salt bricks.
Yeah, so we saw Minaret Pakistan in episode 2, along with Bachai Mosque and Shai Gila.
Yeah. And that's what about reservoir.
गहराई 70 फीट 120 फुट लंबाई है 70 फीट गहराई है सर
If you look this water reservoir, it's a 70 foot deep
ये जो
and
reservoir है,
120 foot long, and that is the ceiling of that water reservoir. You can see the actual level through if you look through this
you
water.
can see through the water.
Yeah.
It's very clear.
So now we are going to take you in Crystal Valley. You can see a lot of crystals on the salt. Let me switch on the light here.
छठी तो 5वीं मंजिल में जाओ
Huh?
छठी तो 5वीं मंजिल
So we're going on the 5th level now.
Okay. Well, it's pretty dark. I'm not sure if you will see this properly on the camera, but
But we're slowly going. And,
but we're going down.
we're gonna have light soon actually.
Yeah.
अच्छा आगे लाइट तो जलेगी ना? So watch your stair. There's a step. So from here, so you see it's dark, but it is looking
Oh, wow.
light. So it's changing its colors. Oh, it's cool.
Wow. That really lights up. Okay.
This is we call Crystal Palace. If you can take a look at the salt.
Yeah, it is shiny.
Yeah.
Not shinier than. It's just. This place. It looks amazing with the lights and changing colors, but it's like there's sparkles everywhere.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
really nice to see. And yeah, you have the crystal.
Right here.
So yeah, you have like little crystal stick. All of this is probably not something you see if you're not with a tour.
Which one?
This.
Oh yeah. Because a lot of people comes here, so the people are not allowed to go down there.
Okay. Oh wow.
And किसी चीज छुपा लेने ना के
जी जी
A real crystal.
Yes, a real crystal. ऐसा क्या ना?
जी सर एक नंबर
Top quality one.
I've never seen salt like that.
So if you look here, this crystal is going to be Mr. Thomas as a gift, and this is the 100% pure. You can see the transparency of these crystals. If you put light on it, it goes through.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
This place is absolutely insane.
And this is the favorite part. The people who love licking the salt.
Oh, the lick is here.
This is the lick here. And if you want to taste it, touch your finger and put it in your mouth. And here you go.
So everyone lick at the same place. Anyone.
Yeah, I can hold your camera and a little bit. Okay, right here we got the Mr. Thomas, and he loved this place. I think he's he loved, and now he's going to.
So here I can see that's salt.
Yeah, that's salt,
Normal
but you
salt.
have to lick
But
it
then you
on the
have-
top. Yeah,
Like if you were with glass. It's like glass.
it's like a glass.
Like it feels like if you touched a window. A
Yeah,
little bit rougher on this side, but here absolutely it's just like
yeah.
Come this side, we have to
it's
go.
dry.
Oh, he's licking the salt, and
Oh, yeah.
how's the taste?
Salty.
Salty, very salty.
Definitely salty. Yeah. It
Okay, let them go. Let me go.
definitely is salty. I was in the street looking for a motorcycle and I met Imran, this guy, who was getting his bike fixed, and we started talking for a bit. And he was telling me like he's a tour operator here in Pakistan for the last 13 years, something like that. And he worked with National Geographic and different TV channels and famous vlogger like Eva Zubek. And he's like, okay, what are you doing tomorrow? And nothing. I don't really have a plan, I go with the flow. And we decided to come here. And I'm very glad for it. And if you ever want to come here, if you are staying in Islamabad, it's about 2-hour drive. If you are in Lahore, 3 hours, 4 hours, depends on the traffic and all of that. But I would definitely recommend you come and visit this place. And if you want to do so with Imran, definitely do that.
Yeah, thank you. If you want to come to Pakistan, if you want any kind of tour in Pakistan, like cultural tours, Indus Valley civilization, mountains, hikings, cherry blossom, autumn's fall photography, so it's all available. And you're all welcome in Pakistan. Thank you.
And price-wise is absolutely honest as well. The ticket for a foreigner to enter the mine is about $20. And he rented a car today with a driver, and he's here pretty much the whole day with me, and that cost 135 euros, so about $150, something like that, maybe 160. So it is definitely well priced. It's not expensive like you would find other tours in Egypt or other places. It is honest pricing, and he knows a lot of stuff. And if you want to go and do things that are not on the normal tour, he probably can also help you, and you will see that in future videos.